Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to reset your Apple Airpods Pro, Apple Airpods 1 or Apple Airpods Series 3. So I've heard a lot of people asking about this question, about how there's a problem with the Apple Airpods if it's connected to iCloud, and either if it's stolen or it's given to all the youngers or anything. The AirPods is already connected to the iCloud, so it won't connect to another iCloud unless that iCloud is removed or forgotten. So today's video I'm going to show you how to reset this and make this work. So jumping through the video, I'm going to show you. So here's my phone, and if I always want to connect it to this Apple iCloud, this Apple AirPods, as you can see here, we're gonna remove this case and get this case. Alright, so this is my Apple AirPods and it's the case. And when I try to connect it, so it goes. Open it, as it say, Know Your AirPods Pro, because it's already linked to an Apple iCloud. And when I press connect, let me just press this button here. As you can see, press it until it switches to light, and boom. So as you can see here, it says the owner of this item will be able to see its location, and it's given the Apple iCloud. It's already linked to the AirPods. In order to forget this Apple iCloud, to forget this Apple iCloud and to make it work function well to your iCloud, what we're gonna do is press on not now, customize, or just, and yeah. So what we're gonna do is open this case like this, and what you do is press on this button right here, press it for 15 seconds until it flashes white, blinks white, and then it goes red. So let me just press it here. As you can see here, it's white. So 15 seconds, you'll see the red color pops in. See, this is the red, which means it's factory reset perfectly fine. And now we're just gonna test it if it actually did. So all we're gonna do is bring in my phone here and open the AirPods. As you can see, the name changes to AirPods Pro. It was Not Your AirPods, and now it's changed. And then you're gonna press connect to see if it's really there, or stop. Let's wait for it to connect. And then just press not now and AirPods, and boom, it says AirPods Pro. But as you can see, the pops out with the iCloud that's already linked has been removed. And have to go to settings just to prove it. Go to Bluetooth, and as you can see, the Apple AirPods, we're just gonna press the I button, and boom, it works fine. So if you have this phone and before you sell it, anything, make sure you just press the forget the this device, and then after you forget this device, remove AirPods Pro from this device. We'll remove all the devices from the iCloud account, and then press forget device, and boom. So that's how's it, and this is how you to reset your Apple. So this is the first generation Apple AirPods Pro. That was first. So we're gonna take it, as you can see, it's the first one, the long one, and we just put it here. Take the third generation. As you can see, guys, this is third generation, the one without the plastic thingy, the earbuds. And then we're gonna try do it in the first one. So I got my other phone here. Let me take it quickly here. So so as you can see, guys, trying to connect it. It says Know Your AirPods Pro as well. the same notification that I got with the Apple Airpods Pro. Just trying to connect it, press the button here until it's working, and set up Siri. I'm gonna press not now. As it says, Zul's AirPods. So it's already connected to an iCloud, and what we're gonna do is simple process, the same thing. We're just gonna press here, this button here, for like 15 seconds, and then we're gonna, as you can see guys here, hold on. This is the white light. We're just gonna press it for 15 seconds. Keep watching the light to be red. 15 seconds, and as you guys can see, it's not red, just factory reset, and then we're gonna try it again. As you guys can see, it says AirPods, but when we connect it, it says connecting, not now, AirPods, and it doesn't say anything. So it's just AirPods, which is completely factory reset. And now let's just try it with the Apple Airpods 3rd generation here. Same process. You're gonna connect it, and it says not your AirPods. It always, every AirPod that's connected to iCloud, you say it's not your AirPods when you connect it to a new phone. So let's just factory reset it. Click the same thing for the 15 seconds till you see the red light here. As you guys can see, it's already connected to iCloud. Says m.yahoo.com. It's gonna reset it now, 15 seconds till it's red. As soon as you see the red button, just close it and then pair it again. It's called AirPods. It's connected successfully, and then connecting, not now, and AirPods. Boom. And you can't see anything. It's called the second one because I've already connected multiple AirPods to my phone. Just don't worry about it. But you won't get this notification. You just when I go to the settings, Bluetooth. You can see that there's like an AirPods and AirPods here, as you can see. That's why it's called the 2. But when we click on the I, and then we're just gonna click on the forget this device, and then as you can see here, forget device and forget device. Now it's completely working well, and it doesn't have iCloud attached to it. So that's it. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below to get more technology stuff from TechYad, and comment down below what you want to see next. Maybe like an iCloud bypass for the iMac or the Apple MacBook Pro, or any other devices such as Samsung, Huawei, or anything. Thank you so much.